That long. Indestructible biatch. Oh. Keep rolling.
Tell him the other joke you told downstairs.
Yeah, but it's not gonna be that funny now. What do you call Rip? Like, huh? Animal cracker. That one is going to live on for a long time. You guys spread that one around because I don't think people. I mean, have you guys ever heard that one before?
No.
I just thought that shit up. Yeah. Nobody gets access in here. Only me. Closed access. Closed capsule. Hearing impaired. Man. That's funny. See, now it's all died down. That shit would have been funny. Say, people out there on YouTube, you missed some funny shit. Trust me on that. Funny shit going on. You missed it. Sorry.
Oh man.
Hey, every time funny shit comes along and I missed it.
Yeah, let's go.
One of these days.